Yeah, the objective of the project is to build a platform solution for fashion industry on the cloud. It's a solution that helps us to make to order. We want to provide the capability for designers to design their vision and be able to quickly manufacture those into actual outfits. And then consumers can choose whatever they want before the product is produced. As soon as they purchase an order, that would trigger automatic manufacturing. Because right now, the fashion industry is very wasteful. We are producing tons and tons of clothing. The fashion brands spend tens of billions of dollars on waste. They are generating 30% of clothes that are never sold. So we think the solution to that needs to be made to order. We shouldn't be making anything until someone already wants it. So we want to save the planet by reducing wastage and pollution generated by the industry. To upgrade a lot of tools that's currently outdated in the fashion industry. Right now, we don't even have the capability to let designers produce their vision very quickly. It takes them more than half a year to develop any design, and then they spend a lot of time and money making them, and they become overproduced. Because right now, the industry is driven by mass production. We want to let creative designers be able to make their ideas into reality, but also give the option to consumers, let them choose what they want. Then we wouldn't be overproducing. We have built some of the tools. Over here you can see the pattern shop. They can pick whatever design they want and put in their customized size and add to the cart. But on the back end, consumers don't know those products are actually not produced yet. They place an order and then that gets sent to the manufacturer interface, which we also built here. The manufacturer can download the appropriate pattern and they can adjust the size. And then they can generate the manufacturing pattern to use automated digitized methods to do cut and sew. Yeah, so this outfit actually comes from the pattern here, 208. Turn on the manufacturer interface and get the pattern 208 generated right there. And I can choose my size and download that, use a laser cutter to cut the fabric. And so we're building also a designer interface here. This is for designers. They can access the same set of library of the patterns, and then they can do modifications on this interface and save it back to that storage. So the manufacturers can pull the same designs from there. So say you can get a 3D scan of your body. Because we have the patterns digitized, we can then mesh that onto the 3D body and then generate an avatar of you wearing that outfit. We also are integrating with our Bing Ads team that uses their algorithm to do search. They can use computer vision to detect any garment in a photograph. So if you go on the street, you take a picture of something you like, it automatically finds out what pattern is needed to make that outfit. So then you can even make adjustment there, and then that triggers the manufacturing. Get something made just for you. Machine. So we already proved that we can go from design to the actual product very quickly. So we want to scale this to actual industry. We want to work with the fashion brands, and we want to help them digitize, do a digital transformation of their design and manufacturing process, so then they can offer made-to-order services to their customers. Yeah, we also hacked into the t-shirts. You see the LED edit, that's all personalized. Once we have the manufacturing process, design process all digitized, we can even start adding the technology as part of the elements, design element. So if you want to personalize with technology, because now everything is digitized, you can even add this element in. So I did a lot of these by hand.
Yeah.
When I started, I wanted, just for fun, I was putting a lot of technology into my fashion design. And then people asked me where they can buy my stuff. I had no idea. I was like, I was just making this for fun. I was curious. So I'm gonna look into the manufacturing process. But then it turned out to be a very, very manual process. We have to update that whole process. We have all the technologies that we already developed: computer vision, 3D modeling, digitized processes. These patterns to engineers, they're nothing but coordinates. So we can represent all of these digitally. So we should really help the fashion industry to get to where we already are in terms of technology. So that could really, if we can put all the technologies together, we can solve all the pain points.